Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select a dictionary on the Readera application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button. In the reading section you can find the third button, the translator, dictionary and web search. And here go to the second option, the dictionary, and you can find different options. For example, add a word to the Reader dictionary, plus open an external dictionary app, or open an external dictionary app. Or you can use the Android dictionary or the Chrome. And just select one and click to the plus icon, or you can add different apps to your dictionary. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.